Look right here, Liam. See right there? You can start to tear it right there. Yeah, look for the opening.
Good job, buddy.
What is it? Oh, it's a box?
Oh, no.
Do you think there's something in the box, Liam?
You got it?
Can we open the box? Let's see. Oh, let's see. Will this come off? What's in there?
Toys and
We got some pajamas for tonight.
Look,
Look, Liam, those are pajamas for tonight.
oh my goodness, they're
Look,
Thomas
for the
PJs.
shower. Look, see this little boy right here, Liam? Look, he's shaving. He's shaving. That's for Liam. In the bathtub. And more books.
Yay!
Pajamas for you to wear tonight, Liam.
We got
You want to wear
PJs.
Thomas?
Yeah.
Look at your Thomas jammies for after bath time.
Nice.
Look. You like these?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're not even like